Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. Then tap on those three dots under Voice Recorder and hit Settings. Then manage all of those options however you want to before starting recording. And when you're done, go back. Now to start recording, hit this red button at the bottom. Following that, select Allow or Don't Allow in the notifications pop-up. As you can see, after all that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to your recording right away, you need to pause it first, then swipe it, and click on Play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on Bookmark on the right. And last but not least, to end it and save it, select this square button, also on the right. Then name your recording however you want to. When you're ready, select Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To make some changes, click on this pen icon at the top right corner, change wherever you want to, and hit Save. Then click on one of those options, in my case Save as New Recording. Lastly, if you wish to delete one or many of your recordings, just hold the chosen one. Click on all of your recordings that you wish to remove and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!